Welcome to our beautiful, peaceful, and spacious Airbnb retreat located at Lot 811 West Village, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Forget about your worries in this spacious and serene space. For only $70 a night, this cozy 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house is the perfect haven for relaxation and tranquility. Nestled in a serene neighborhood that offers a calming ambience away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Let us know from now, how long do you want to stay? You can email us at mariethorpe1415@gmail.com. Call or WhatsApp 516-488-0232 or 876-202-8945. Welcome to Serenity, where you live like a celebrity.